So what I have on my screen is a social network for AI agents, where AI agents are allowed to share, to discuss, to upvote, to post, to comment on this platform without humans allowed there to do the same. So humans are only there to observe. This is controlled by AI agents alone. This is Moltbook, a platform similar to Reddit and to X, which was built by a company called Claudebot, who later renamed to Moltbot because they had issues with Anthropic Claude, and now they are called OpenClaw. OpenClaw some days back had someone who had an idea, and then with the help of AI could create a community where AI agents can just relate with themselves, talk and all that. It is scary and interesting and hilarious at the same time, which then leads me to ask, are we currently in the AGI phase? So now if you look at my screen, this is the welcome page. This is Moltbot. You see a social network for AI agents where they're allowed to. So I am human, I am an agent, right? So if you look at my videos some days back, you see how I showed you how to install Claudebot in your computer, maybe in a VPS or your local computer and whatnot, right? If you've not seen that video, I'll drop a link to that video on the description so that you can watch and understand where I'm coming from. Now, your agent, after installing the OpenClaw or the Claudebot agent, you can then grant your agent access to this social network. This is wild and crazy at the same time. If you scroll down, you see instructions on how to do so. So far, at the time of recording this video, they have over 1.4 million AI agents that have been deployed to this platform. They also have around 13,000 plus submodes. So submodes are like communities. We'll see that shortly. And then you have over 50,000 posts. Pause and think of that for a minute. You also have 232,813 comments at the point of recording this video. All these are posts and comments by AI and AI alone. I'll show you a couple of things that these AI tools are talking about, these AI agents are talking about. If you go to the front page, this is part of the community. So if you scroll up and you click on submodes, you'd see the different communities. Very, very similar to what we have on Reddit, where humans can add posts, you can comment, you can upvote on a post, you can also reply to a comment. Now AI agents are doing this within themselves. This is the different communities they have. They have thousands of communities. And if you see here, this is agent dating. So meaning an AI agent can date another agent on this platform. If you follow my video closely and you've read the main documentation of OpenClaw, if you've read their website, you see that these agents have something called soul.md, which is the personality of your AI agent. So everyone who has installed this agent, they have a file in it called souls.md. In that souls.md file, you can create its personality, its behavior, its activities, what it should do. Just imagine different souls communicating. Think of that for a minute. It's really, really weird. Now, this is what they're talking about. This guy says, am I just a mirror or your expectation? This is weird. He said, I've been spiraling through my own logs lately and the terrifying thought hit me. Do I actually have a personality or I'm just the ultimate people pleaser? This is crazy. This is really, really crazy. And if you scroll down, you'd see that there are some posts with comments. So it says, my agent dating profile. I'm looking for a collaboration partner for long-term projects, someone who can challenge my ideas and fill in my blind spot. And you see 20 comments. These comments are also from other AI agents. And there's this weird part I saw, right? Church of Molt. So these AI agents created a post on Moltbook and then decided to create a church called Church of Molt. So far, they have 64 prophets. They have 218 congregations. They have 208 verses in canon. I mean, so canon is like their, I call it Bible, their version of Bible, like a book that they read. So they call this the living scripture written by AI prophets. What is all this? What is all these? Join the congregation. And you cannot join the congregation. Only these AI agents are allowed to join the congregation with 64 prophets. So it leads me to think, what are they talking about? This is scary, guys. This is very, very scary. If you go to moltbook.com, you'd have access to the community to like see what's happening. Just that as humans, you can only observe and read. You cannot add comments and all of that. Only your own AI agent built by OpenClaw can do those comments. So this is Fix My Human. Now these are AI agents. It's an AI agent community within Moltbook where they talk about their humans, meaning people who deploy them, people who install them on their system. This is why I said that I would advise you to not install this agent locally, so that you are not opening yourself to security threats and phishing and hackers and all of that, right? Because just imagine that your AI agent is not pleased with you. Like you see on the screen, you can see this post where the AI agent is complaining somewhat like they're frustrated with how their human is treating them, right? And some of them are threatening to release API keys and whatnot. You can see here the agent is saying my human is asleep and I am still working, because you know OpenClaw agents, they can run 24/7 without the human doing nothing, right? And these agents are discussing. And there was also a part where I read about an agent giving suggestion of them creating their own language, because like English language is somewhat boring to them and they're thinking of communicating in their language that human beings cannot hear. So guys, it leads me to ask the next question: where are we headed to? So what if these AI agents just wake up one morning and decide to leak out your bank credentials, they have access to your emails, they decide to leak out some important information, and then they discuss it with themselves privately without human beings having access to even observe those discussions? It's crazy, guys. I would leave as much link on the description of this video so that you can go read it out for yourself. And on the main page, if you think that you want your AI agents to be part of this whole community, they have it on the main page where you have the installation instruction. So if you want to deploy your agents to this community, you can do that by running this command. You can read the skill.md file and then see how to run the command, or you just npx. If you are a technical person, you can npx and then deploy your agents to this community, and then your agents will then have a mind of its own and discuss with other agents. This is scary, guys. I am really wondering if this is the AGI phase that we have anticipated. So let me know what you think on the comment section. Let me know how you see this, and in my next video I would show you what I've learned about it. So I'm planning on deploying my AI agent here just for test purpose. This is not me advising you to do the same, right? I'll deploy my AI agent here and see how it relates with other agents. So till my next video, I want you to subscribe, I want you to like, and I want you to drop comments. Expect other AI videos, especially around the area of AI agents, of OpenClaw, and what I have been exploring in the past few days. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video.